Sri Gurubhyo Namaha children, welcome to online class. Today's class we are going to learn about the packing efficiency of body center cubic lattice. So what is the formula for the packing efficiency? Packing efficiency of BCC is total volume occupied by the sphere in unit cell divided by volume of the unit cell into 100. So now this is the formula to find the packing efficiency of BCC, body center cubic lattice. So the packing efficiency is nothing but the total volume occupied by the sphere or the atom in the unit cell divided by the volume of the unit cell into 100. This is the formula to find the packing efficiency. Next, so the body center cubic unit cell is the body center cubic unit cell. The atoms are occupied at the 8 corner and the body center. So body center BCC, the atoms are occupied at 8 corner and then 1 at the center of the body. So now here, so let us consider the edge length. So this is called the edge length. So this is edge length is considered as small a. So let us consider the edge length as small a. So therefore the volume of the unit cell. So the volume of the unit cell is A into A equal to A cube. So the volume of the unit cell is A cube and let R be the radius. Let small r be the radius of the sphere. So now here we are going to see in the BCC the atoms are arranged in the corner and the body center. So one of the atom at the body center and next another one in the corner. So now the radius of the sphere. So this is one of the radius of this sphere is R and then to this center R and next radius of this sphere is R. Now so now we can make it as, now say this one of the right angle triangle. This is considered as A, B, C D in this right angle triangle. And then the edge length. The edge length is considered as small a, and this one small a, and this is considered as small a. So according to the Pythagoras theorem, hypothesis AD AD square equal to AD square equal to AC square plus CD square. AC square plus CD square. But AC is considered as, AC is nothing but AB plus BC. So AC square is nothing but AB square plus BC square. Now you have to substitute the value. So AB is equal to A and BC is equal to A and CD equal to A and AC. How many are? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 are. So the value for AC is 4 R. Now you substitute this. Four R square equal to, so A square plus A square AB, and then for CD one is A square. Now see, 4R square. 4R square equal to 16R square. A square, A square, A square. How many A square are there? 3A square. So this is 3A square. Next, R square equal to, R square equal to 3 by 16 A square. 3 by 16 A square. R equal to root of 3A square by 16 equal to root 3 by 4A. So this is the radius of the sphere. This is the radius of the sphere in BCC. Radius of the sphere in BCC is R equal to root 3 by 4A. Next we are going to find the volume of the sphere. Volume of the sphere, the volume is nothing but 4 by 3 pi r cube. Now we are going to substitute the r value in this to find the volume of the unit cell, cubic unit cell. So what is r? R is root 3 by 4a. So what is r? R is R equal to root 3 by a, R equal to root 3 by 4a. Next, volume of this cubic unit cell. Volume of the cubic unit cell equal to, with respect to r, 4 by 3 pi r cube. What is the formula to find the cubic volume for the unit cell? 4 by 3 pi r cube. Now you substitute the value of r in this. So 4 by 3 pi r cube value root 3 by 4 a whole cube. Root 3 by a whole cube. This can be written as 4 into pi into root 3 whole cube, root 3 into root 3 into root 3 into a cube divided by 3 into 4 into 4 into 4. Now 4 get cancelled and 3 root 3 get cancelled. So remaining, what is remaining? Root 3, 4 into 4, 16. Root 3 by 16 pi a cube. Root 3 by 16 pi a cube. We are going to get the volume of the sphere or the volume of the cubic unit cell. Now next we are going to see the packing efficiency. In BCC, the number of atoms or the number of sphere equal to 2. In BCC, the number of sphere equal to 2. So the total volume occupied by BCC in unit cell equal to, so what is the number of atom present in BCC? 2. And what you are going to get in that volume value? What is the volume of root 3 by 16 pi a cube? Root 3 by 16 pi a cube. Next, the packing efficiency. The packing efficiency is the total volume. So here you can strike out, this become 8. So you can write as 1. Root 3 by 8 pi a cube. So you substitute this value, root 3 by 8 pi a cube by a cube into 100. So a cube get cancel. We are going to get root 3 by 8 into pi into 100. So now root 3 pi, if you cancel this, so how many 2? 1 8s are 8, remainder 2. So 2 8s are 16, remainder 4. So 12.5. Root 3 into pi into 12.5. So you are going to substitute the value for root 3, 1.732 into 3.14 into 12.5. You are multiplying this, become what? 68%. So the total or the packing efficiency of BCC out of the 100 volume, so 68% of the space can be occupied by the atom. So the remaining are the vacant space. So these are all about the packing efficiency of BCC, body center cubic unit cell. Thank you.